The weaver bird and her beautiful nest. In a lush green forest where sunlight turns through the leaves, lived a talented weaver bird named Nima. She had a special gift for creating nests that were not only strong but also breathtakingly beautiful. Her nests were admired by every creature in the forest, big and small. One bright morning, as Nima began weaving a new nest high up in a mango tree, a curious sparrow named Raju stopped by. Nima, your nest always looks so perfect. How do you make them so beautiful? He chirped. Nima chuckled and said, it takes care, patience, and a touch of creativity. Every blade of grass, every twig is chosen with love. Raju tilted his head and asked, but why put in so much effort? A simple nest would do the job, right? Nima replied warmly, my nest is not just a home for me, it's a safe haven for my future chicks. I want them to feel protected and happy. As the day went on, more animals gathered around to watch Nima work. The chattering squirrel, the vibrant butterfly, and even the wise old owl admired her dedication. But amidst the admiration, a lazy pigeon named Moti sneered, why all this fuss? Look at my nest, just a pile of sticks, and it worked fine. You are wasting your time, Nima. Nima didn't let Moti's word discourage her. She continued weaving her beak and claws, working tirelessly. By sunset, her nest was complete. It glowed in the golden light, resembling a masterpiece woven with sunlight and dreams. Days later, the forest was struck by a fierce storm. Thunder roared, the wind howled, and rain poured down like rivers from the sky. Trees swayed violently, and many nests, including Moti's haphazard pile of sticks, were blown away. Nima's nest, however, stood strong. It swayed gently with the wind but didn't break. From her sturdy nest, Nima spotted Moti shivering on a branch, drenched and trembling. Moti, come here. Nima called out. You can stay in my nest until the storm passes. Ashamed and grateful, Moti flew to Nima's nest. Ashamed, as he settled inside, he said, thank you, Nima. I mocked you, but now I see the value of your hard work. Your effort has saved not just you, but me too. When the storm finally ended, Moti decided to turn over a new leaf. Inspired by Nima, he began building better, stronger nests. The other birds also learned an important lesson. True efforts and care creates lasting results. From that day on, Nima wasn't just known for her beautiful nest, but also for her kind and forgiving heart. Her story became a favorite tale among the forest creatures, a reminder that hard work and kindness always lead to something extraordinary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more fun stories and rhymes. See you next time on Kindle Tales and Rhymes. Bye bye.